Hi guys, in today's video, I am gonna show you how I got the messy beach looking waves with the straighter ends. I feel like this hairstyle is so popular right now. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so of course I always have dirty hair. So I am going to section out my hair. I already put dry shampoo in it. I love the Amika dry shampoo. That's what I used, and then I used some Paul Mitchell thermal spray. Not my favorite, but it's what I have right now, so I'm not gonna let it go to waste. So, okay, there's two ways to do these curls, and I'll show you both of them. I do both of these. I know there's other ways as well. So, let's see. The first one, I'll show you with a curling iron. So what I do is I kind of just prime it, curl it, unravel, but don't let it out of the curling iron, and then twist it, unravel, and then slide it out. Okay, so you have these funky little twist things. So now with the flat iron, what I usually do, so my hair is curly, like I said, and frizzy, so my ends are kind of just like crispy and fried, and not fried, just not smooth looking. So if you have straight hair and you're just going in straight with the curls, then plus for you, because it's time consuming. Okay, so what I do is I get the straightener, twist it, and bring it down, and then I start untwisting it and then straighten out the ends. So there you go. And I'll show you again with this little piece. So I twist it, bring it down a little bit, and then start untwisting it and straighten out the ends. See, so you have the straight ends. Can you see with the curl? Okay, so so those are two different ways to do the curls. What I generally do is just do it with a curling iron because it's faster. And then once I get to the top, I do it with the flat iron because I like how those curls look. So, okay guys, now that I'm at the top, I kind of figure out where I want to wear my part. Usually I like it to the side. I don't know why it would be any different now. Actually, maybe I'll just leave it where it's at. So I'm just gonna smooth out the top a little bit, like just at the root. So now at the top, I'm gonna do it how I showed you with the flat iron. There we go. Okay, so one more thing. You know, with the flat iron, when it has really good tension, if you are holding it down too hard, you're gonna get those kinks in the hair where you can see it. So what I do is I put pressure on it when I'm first twisting the hair like this to really get that curl. And then as I start untwisting, I'm letting loose so that you can't see where, do you see? You can't see a kink in that. So I hold it tight while I'm twisting and then slowly let go as you start to straighten out the ends, and you'll get that smooth wave all the way through. Okay, so what am I gonna use? Okay, so I'm gonna use some It's a 10 oil. Ooh, I'm almost out. Oh no. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of brush through them. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I am gonna use some un.done Volume Matte Texture Spray from Amika. I love Amika. Their products are phenomenal. They smell amazing. I just love them. So what I'm gonna do is flip over and just kind of get it right up my root. All over, just kind of scrunch it a little bit so it's extra messy. Okay, now I'm gonna use some bed head, the after party, and just kind of go through some of those ends and just to piece out some of the waves a little bit. So I'm just gonna see what it's gonna look like if I part it on the side. I have a big forehead, so when I do part it on the side, it kind of goes over my forehead and makes it appear smaller. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yay! Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video.